Let me show you how to generate such 3D inflated letter using Adobe Illustrator and Firefly. Create new document. Follow these artboard settings. Select type and left click. Hold Shift key and drag to resize the text. Double click and select the text. I am using Adobe bold font. You can easily download it from browser. Type the text you wish. Hold Alt and Shift key and drag to equally resize the text. Place it accordingly. Keep fill to gray color. Then select 3D and materials. If it is not visible, enable it from window. Enable extrude. Keep depth to 230. Enable bevel. Keep bevel shape to round. Enable bevel both sides. Keep perspective to 75 degree. Rotate the text and position it as shown. Now press Window plus Shift plus S. Select the letter portion. And save the letter image in JPG format. Now we will move towards Adobe Firefly screen. Click on Generate. Keep model to Firefly image 3. Aspect ratio to square 1:1. Content type to photo. Remove this keyword. Now enter the prompt. You can copy the prompt from description. Click on Try Prompt. Select and download the image with better results. We'll generate one more time. Now in structure reference upload letter image. Keep full strength. In style reference upload 3D inflated cube that we generated now. Set the strength and visual intensity. Click on Generate. These are some results. Let's try once again. I have also tried an orange color as well. And these are some results. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other Firefly related videos. Thank you.